Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display. Now we have to enter the nightlight. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it is highlighted from all of other options, so let's tap on it and we can either turn it on now or automatically. Let's start with turn on now. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even orangish. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this option. What is more, we can change the intensity of that feature, so we can go to the low, to the left of course, and to high on the right. Recommended is in between of those two options, but of course it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. You can also reduce the white point. By going to the left you can set it low of course, and by going to the right you can make it high, so basically it makes the screen a little bit darker than usual, and I did not want it to turn it off. Alright. So again, this option to reduce white point is also up to you. What is more, you can turn on this option automatically, so you do not have to manually turn it on and off. Just tap on this switcher right here, and as you can see, we've got two different options. So the custom time, you can freely choose the start and the end time, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, and it is actually mentioned here, so it is location based. It's of course up to you which option you prefer. And basically this is the whole customization of the nightlight and the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So all we have to do right now is to show you the shortcut for this feature, so you won't have to go through the whole settings. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and we have to try at least localize the proper icon. As you can see, it is not here at all, or I'm blind. We've got the read mode, we've got the dark mode, scan, we do not have it, but that's okay, because all we have to do right now is to tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, we've got the full list of available icons, and there we've got our nightlight, which is kind of hidden. So let's simply tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to this first position where are the icons which are visible after unrolling the top bar. So for example here after the QR code, and now we can go back. Let's go back and let's check. As you can see right now, we can just swipe here and we've got our nightlight. So just by tapping you can either turn it off, just like now, and turn it on, obviously. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.